Goldie's got the keys in hand. Zach's got loans you understand. Dreams take flight, we've got a plan. Transactions on tap.
But there are like kind of different types of appraisals you do according to loan types, and maybe there's a little bit more conditional type of things noted in your reports. Is that right? So like for a VA loan,
Sure.
possibly, or an FHA loan,
Right.
what are the things that would stand out for those two types of loans versus just your regular conditional or conventional loan?
I was going to ask that
Oh,
question.
dang
Go
it.
ahead.
I'm
No,
sorry.
You beat me to it. Go ahead.
It's okay. So what we're talking about here is if somebody was doing a conventional loan, typical Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac loan, or they're doing an FHA or VA loan. So VA being guaranteed, FHA being insured. And in the cases of FHA and VA usually follows FHA, so they're very similar, not exactly the same, but very similar.
Yeah.
But there's a little bit more to the scope of the inspection there.
Yeah.
So, for example, if I see frayed wiring, I need to note that. FHA is they want us to observe the 3 S's: the soundness, the security, safety of the house.
Ah.
So, it's safety. For example, if there were bars on the inside of the house or on the outside, and there's no safety unlatch lock there, because if there was a fire, how would you get out?
Oh, you can't get out. Yeah.
So that would be a safety issue.
Ooh, yikes.
If there are wires that are exposed, that could be a safety issue.
Yeah.
FHA requires that there be a kitchen sink. They require that there be an outlet for an oven. They don't require any other appliances, but they do require the appliances, if they're there, that they have to work.
Okay.
FHA requires, if it's a manufactured home, that there be a skirting on the bottom of the manufactured home that would keep vermin out, if you will.
Sure.
So it can't be nothing. There needs to be something there.
Right.
In the perfect world, it's something that's stronger than just the vinyl, or there's
Right.
something behind the vinyl to make it stronger.
Yeah.
In FHA cases, we're generally giving a picture of the attic. We don't have to anymore. They just changed that.
Nice.
But they still ask us to observe the attic, even though we don't have to provide a photo. I'm going to take pictures of everything I can.
Yeah.
Because I'm the eyes and ears in the field for the lender.
Yeah.
They want me to tell them, yes, it's a sloping lot. Yes, this is the type of siding on the house. If there's missing roof shingles, I need to report that. So in answer to your question, FHA and VA do have a little bit more of a scope to their inspections, and some of that's crawl space, attics, wiring. You're supposed to flush the toilet, supposed to open a window. You know. If a window doesn't open, generally that's okay. But if a window is cracked and somebody could cut themselves on it, that's a safety issue.
Yeah.
Transactions on tap.